What's up guys, Jacob here with Lobovaca North America. On site today in Boone, North Carolina. We're going to be applying some PU280 to the wooden substrate and then using the Applicator 90 to complete the installation process. So PU280 is a single component moisture barrier or vapor retarder. We're going to be using it on a plywood substrate today, which is moisture sensitive. So we're only going to apply one coat of PU280. So we're using the Loba Micro 6080 roller to apply the PU280. The goal here is to get the product on the floor as thin as possible, but also even. Just to make sure we don't miss any spots, we're gonna actually apply it in two directions. One of the best things about this product is how fast it dries, and you're able to glue to it in about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So that's a huge advantage in speeding up your job site and successfully blocking moisture from affecting the wood floors.
Using the Applicator 90 adhesive system makes life a whole lot easier because it's easier to spread, less time involved in actually spreading the adhesive, as well as it's a whole lot cleaner. I already like the MS260 platform, but the Applicator 90 just makes the whole system way easier. This is the first time I've used the App 90 system, and in comparison to what I normally do with trialing it out, it is way cleaner, way faster, and way more efficient.